start 10th class. Let us try to know about algebraic identities. Before getting into the concept, let me give you the definition of an identity. Here, an identity is an equation which will be satisfied for all the values. That means which will be true for any value of the variable in the equation. See children, my main aim is to make you remember the formula of algebraic identities. So, I have come up with a new idea of teaching them by substituting the values into them. And if you learn in this way, there are greater chances of remembering them easily. So, after watching this video, take some examples on your own and try to solve them and remember. So, here let us consider the values of A, B and C as 5, 3 and 2 for all these algebraic identities. So, let us start with the algebraic identity number 1. That is A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now let us try to substitute these ABC values into this. The value of A is 5 and the value of B is 3. So 5 plus 3 whole square is equals to 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 3 plus 3 square. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 square is equals to, here 5 square is 25 plus 2 5s are 10 and 10 3s are 30 plus 3 square is 9. Here 8 square is 64. 8 8s are 64. 25 plus 30 is 55 plus 9 is 64. See here, for any value 5 and 3, this identity is satisfied. We will go to the next identity. A minus B whole square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Let us do the same. That means substituting the values of A and B into this. 5 minus 3 whole square is equals to 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 3 plus 3 square. Here 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 square is equals to 5 square is 25 minus 2 5s 10 and 10 3s are 30 plus 9. Here 2 square is 4. Let us add the positive values and then subtract them. Subtract 30 from them. 25 plus 9 gives us 34. 34 minus 30 is 4. So, A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. Here A is 5 and B is 3. 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3 is equals to 5 square minus 3 square. 5 plus 3 is 8 into 5 minus 3 is 2 is equals to 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9. 8 2s are 16 and 25 minus 9 is also 16. A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube is equals to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Substitute the values of A and B. 5 plus 3 whole cube is equals to 5 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 plus 3. Here 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 cube is equals to 5 cube is 125 plus 3 cube is 27 plus 3 5s are 15 and 15 3s are 45. into 5 plus 3 is 8. See here, 8 cube is 512 and 125 plus 27 plus 45 8s will get 360. So 360 plus 125 plus 27, if we add up, will get 512. So here also we got LHS is equals to RHS. That means it is also satisfied. This identity is also satisfied for the same values. So we'll take the next identity, A minus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube is equals to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. Let us check the values of ABC for this identity. 5 minus 3 whole cube is equals to 5 cube minus 3 cube minus 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 minus 3. See here, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 cube is equals to 5 cube is 125 minus 27 is 3 cube minus 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45 into 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 cube is 8. 125 minus 27 minus 45 2s is 90. See here, these two are the negative values. So add up them and subtract from 125. 90 and 27, their sum becomes 117. From 125, if we subtract 117, we'll get the value as 8. So for this identity also there is a LHS is equals to RHS. So we can say it is also satisfied for the same values. A plus B plus C whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Substitute the values of A, B and C in this. 5 plus 3 plus 2 whole square is equals to A square is 5 square plus 3 square plus 2 square plus 2 into AB, that is 5 into 3. 5 3s are directly I am going to write 5 3s are 15 plus BC. B is 3 and C is 2. 3 2s are 6 plus CA. C is 2 and A is 5. So 2 5s are 10. So here 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 25 into 31. 25 plus 9 plus 4 plus 31 2s are 62. Here where 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is 10. 10 square is 100. So let us add this. 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 plus 4 is 38. And 38 plus 62 is 100. So 100 is equals to 100. For this also we get the satisfied value for A, B and C. So we can say that these are the algebraic identities which can be satisfied for any value. So these are some of the important algebraic identities. We will discuss some more concepts of algebraic identities in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please encourage us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.